What's going on, everybody? Fast Action Blades here, out to test for the first time the sling that was sent to me by Timpa Linkosling. I got a target set up here. I don't know if I'm going to hit it or not. This is a pretty tough thing to do. I'm thinking these are going to be my first slings, so it could be funny, who knows. Anyway, I got a few marbles. The pouch is a little bit big, so I don't know if I'm going to want to switch it up. I got some larger rocks over there. So we're going to try and figure this out and see how we can do. First time slanging. But I was just now we're going to dump my rocks. Okay. Small marble. A small marble does not work well. So, let's see here. Well, that was pretty sad. Timpa makes this look so easy. Oh, surprisingly close to my target. Okay. Damn. Timpa buddy, I give you mad props, man. You are good at this. Whoa! Yes, buddy. Timpa, bro, that one goes out to you, buddy. Special shout out to Timpa Linkosling. My first hit, buddy. Smoked her. Oh, yeah. thank you once again, Timpa Linkosling, for sending me this awesome sling. Fun toy, hella awesome. Just love it, bro. I can't wait to get out and see if I can get a little more proficient with it, get some more hits. I got the one hit, which I'm extremely ecstatic about. That was awesome. Not very much distance, but hey, you got to start somewhere. So everybody, get over to Timpa Linkosling's channel. He'll show you how to do this in the correct way. So Timpa, what I need you to do, buddy, is leave some comments below. Critique me, tell me what I'm doing wrong, tell me what I'm doing right, and just give me any feedback, you know, constructive criticism to help me improve. I would definitely appreciate that. So get over to his channel, sub him up, and thanks for watching, everyone. You have yourselves a great day. Slang on.